Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this lesson, we are going to start tenses. So, section overview is simple tenses, compound tenses introduced, perfect tenses, progressive tenses, perfect progressive tenses, future tenses, exceptions. Simple tenses. In order to make things easier, this section refers only to present, past, compound tenses. Future tenses are covered. Tenses are used to describe when an action or state occurs or occurred. All main verbs have two simple tenses which are used without auxiliary verbs except for forming question and negatives. Simple present tense and simple past tense. Simple tenses don't have aspect. Compound tenses have aspect and consist of a main verb plus one or more auxiliary verbs. Simple present tense. The simple present tense of regular verbs uses the base form of the verb in all persons except third person singular, where an else is added to the verb. Negatives are formed using do not or does not. Questions are formed using do or does. The simple present tense of most irregular verbs is constructed in the same way as for regular verbs in most cases. Use of the simple present tense illustrations to state a fact. I like music but my sister does not. My sister doesn't like music. To express that something occurs on a regular basis. I play hockey every week. Do you play? To refer to events in the near future. The bus arrives in 2 hours. For dramatic effect, for example, in sports commentary, there are people on the pitch. They think it's all over, it's now. Simple past tense. The simple past tense of regular verbs uses the base form of the verb with ed added in all persons. Negative are formed using did not and the base form of the verb. Questions are formed using did and the base form of the verb. Irregular verbs make the past tense in a number of different ways. Use of simple past tense illustrations. To refer to a completed action in the past. I played cricket or hockey. I didn't play hockey. Did you play hockey? Present. To refer to a series of completed action in the past. I played hockey every week. To refer to events in the past at a specific time. I played hockey last Tuesday but I did not play on Thursday. To refer to duration of stays in the past. I played hockey for the university for 3 years. Compound tenses introduced. In order to make things easier, this section refers only to present and past compound tenses. Future tenses are covered later. The aspect of a verb refers to whether actions or states are completed, perfect, or continuing, imperfect, continuous, progressive. Tenses with a perfect aspect show that an action is completed. Tenses with a progressive aspect show duration or continuity. The compound tenses have aspect and consist of a main verb plus one or more auxiliary verbs. Compound tenses are a combination of present or past tense with progressive or perfect aspect. The tense of a compound verb is determined by the tense of the auxiliary verb. The aspect of a compound verb is determined by the combination of the auxiliary and the participle of the main verb. A form of have and the past participle result in perfect aspect. A form of be and the present participle result in progressive aspect. Compound tense. Present perfect. Present of have. Past participle. Past perfect. Past of have. Past participle. Present progressive. Present of be. Present participle. Past progressive. Past of be. Present participle. Example: perfect and progressive tenses of the verb to jump in the first person singular. Compound tense: present perfect, auxiliary I have, participle of the main verb jumped. Past perfect I had jumped. Present progressive am jumping. Past progressive I was jumping. A compound verb can also combine both the progressive and perfect aspects using two auxiliary verbs and a main verb. Present perfect progressive, present plus present is equal to have, past is equal to been, present participle. Past progressive, past perfect progressive, past is equal to had, past is equal to been, present participle. Perfect progressive tenses of the verb to jump in the first person singular. Present perfect progressive, I have been jumping. Past perfect progressive, I had been jumping. Not all verbs can be used in progressive forms. These are called non-continuous verbs and are usually verbs about mental states, feelings, possession, etc. As a general rule, the progressive tenses is only available for actions that you can see somebody doing. For example, you can see a person looking at something, but you cannot see a person seeing something. You don't know if that person can see it or not. Therefore, progressive tenses of look are possible but not of see. A list of the main non-continuous verbs is given in the next section. So here you can go through from this. Then in next lecture we will move to perfect tense. Thanks for your presence. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.